Hi, I'm Mike Dustin from the Skirball Institute and New York University School of Medicine. Today, I'll be taking you through the procedure of forming supported planar bilayers for study of the immunological synapse. So, let's get started.
To make the lipid bilayer, we prepare a solution of 20% nickel chelating lipid and 80% phosphatidylcholine in the appropriate amounts in a glass tube with 1 to 2 milliliters of chloroform-methanol. The first step is to evaporate the solvent under a stream of nitrogen gas in a warm 30 to 37 degrees Celsius water bath. This usually takes around 15 minutes. Then, remove any remaining solvent under high vacuum using a lyophilizer for 90 minutes. Next, dissolve the lipids in 2% N-octyl glucoside detergent in tris saline buffer to a final concentration of 0.4 millimolar. This creates a solution of mixed detergent phospholipid micelles. To form liposomes, you dialyze this solution against 3 changes of tris saline to remove detergent and form liposomes. We usually work with volumes on the order of 1 milliliter with 6 millimeter diameter tubing with a cutoff around 10 kilodaltons, and are careful to exclude any air bubbles while clamping the tubing. Sterile filter this solution and do the dialysis under clean conditions, and handle it using 70% ethanol sterilized gloves. This solution should be crystal clear.